children to this movie.
He also wrote, no one under 17 is admitted without parents.
That means the movie contains scenes not fit for young adults 17 and under without parents' supervision.
Rated NC-17 is adult content and nobody under 18 is admitted. This movie is for adults only. No children aged 17 and under are allowed.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go till we get some. We won't go till we get some. We won't go till we get some. So bring it right here. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We are like a mini party. We are like a mini party. We are like a mini party. We all eat good
They treat me like I'm worse than Hitler. 6. They all agree with each tweet of being the anti-ADC fan. 7. They now hate me just because I attacked innocent users for renting on spam bots. 8. They made rents on me. 9. They brushed opinions on me. 10. They denied my apologies. And 11. These haters are the worst haters ever. I hope my haters will get terminated very soon. Do you know who likes my haters? Nobody. Do you know who likes my haters?
I have an idea. Lloyd, turn around this way. And again.
Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
YouTube poop. Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
Because you
It's where their poop is.
Because you
It's where their poop is. YouTube poop. Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
Because you
It's where their poop is.
Because you
It's where their poop is.
Because you
It's where their poop is.
Thanks. Because you
It's where their poop is.
Goodbye, world.
Okay, Jim, I'll see you around. Where you going? No! Oh, no! Oh, that's not what I thought he meant by that at all!
There's something to your face. It was paid.
Oh, what is happening? Why would you do this? I can't even.
I am punching your son!
Now, son, don't touch that cactus.
You're dead to me.
Honey, why is the baby on fire?
Buy me more jewelry.
Oh,
Don't even think about it.
oh, okay. I thought it was gonna be hot. All right. All right. Seems to still be good. It's, you know, it doesn't have any burn marks, and it actually still works. It actually my iPad still actually works after being put in the microwave. Wow. Nothing happened. So the rumors are that the rumors are not true. It will not catch on fire. It won't blow up. The iPad works 100% after being put in the microwave. So that's another durability test of an Apple product.